Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this dress. The first thing that we'll do is for us to fold our fabric into four, and we roll out the starting line. Then after, we begin to mark out our neck depth and neck width. So the neck depth that I took there downwards is 1 centimeter and the width is 3 centimeter. So I join the lines together and I gave it a curve at that point. So you can do that with your free hand, or you use the French curve to do that. The next thing is for me now to cut out the front neckline. I also took 3.5 centimeter downwards, and the width was also 3 centimeter, and I joined the lines together. So I also gave it a curve at that end there, because the front panel neckline is going to be round neck. So the next thing now, I measure out the sleeve and I took 1 centimeter downwards to make it slant, for we know that our shoulder is not slant. So I joined it to the neck area. So I joined it to the neck area, as you can see. I went ahead to take the armhole, 12 centimeter, and I joined it to the shoulder length, as you can see. Then I went ahead to take my waist and my hip measurement, that is shoulder to hip. That is what I'm doing. I'm using 25 centimeter for that. So I ensure that everything is accurate. Now, my waist, I'm going to insert my waist circumference. So my waist circumference is 13. So I now added 5 centimeter to it to make it wide. It all depends on how wide you want the bubu to be. Now I'm taking 2 centimeter inward around the armhole area. So the next thing now, I'm bringing down the hip circumference all the way down to the length of the dress. So I'm using the same length, the same wideness. Then I joined the lines together, as you can see me do. And I went ahead and started giving the curve of the cow shape, as you can see me do. So that's the curve that I drew there. Then at the shoulder area, as you can see me do, I went ahead to take another 0.5 centimeter for ease allowance. So that's where I'm going to be taking I'm going to be sewing through that place. That is the sewing allowance there. So when I joined it, the next thing now is for us to begin to cut the shape out. So please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that. And for my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all the lovely comments you guys have been putting there. God bless you. So don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be updated on every video that I drop. So the next thing is for us to cut out the back neck line. So ensure that when you are cutting the the front one, you make sure that you remove the front panel. So that's what I'm doing. I went ahead to remove the front panel of the dress. So the next thing now is for me to cut out the front neckline. So I'm just going to measure where I'm going to be giving it an opening in the front. So this is what you are seeing me do. Ensure that you cut it along the line. Okay. So the next thing now is for us to go ahead and join the two panels together. Please do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed on this channel. Help us to grow. Thank you for my returning subscriber. Thank you for your good work. I appreciate you guys. So the next thing now is for us to join the two shoulders together, the two panels. You join them together at the shoulder. As you can see, I've already joined that. I've already joined it together at the shoulder. As you can see. So what I'm trying to do now is that because I'm going to be attaching another fabric to the dress, so I need to mark out where the fabric will be starting from. As you can see from the the video I showed before, you see that this fabric was attached to it. So I first of all mark out the the height where this lace fabric will be starting from. So that was the measurement I was taking earlier on. Please don't forget to like and share. So the next thing now, I'm going to also be attaching that lace fabric to the armhole area of the sleeve. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.